Welcome, in front of me is a REDBEAT E3 and today I'll show you how you can capture a screenshot on this phone. So to get started, you will want to open up content that you wish to capture. For me, that is going to be the home screen, which is already open and visible on my screen. Just make sure that what you want to capture is right now visible on the display. Once that is the case, hold the power button and volume down at the same time. You'll have this flash along with the pop-up with share and edit options visible for a brief moment, after which this pop-up disappears. Once it does so, you can find your captured screenshot in the Photos application. By default, you would be located in the Photos tab, so you want to navigate to Collections and then Screenshots, as it will create a screenshot album in which you'll find strictly screenshots and nothing else. And here's the one that I have just captured. So there we go. Now, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.